Okay, now we're going to talk about the steps you need to take to assemble a belt for use with your Honeywell voice Talkman units. So the first thing you want to start with is the belt itself. You want to be holding it with the open end up and the Velcro facing away from you. Next step is you grab your holster, and you want to have your holster facing up and away from the Velcro. So the first thing you're going to do is place the belt through the bottom hole of your holster and pull the holster down to close to the bottom of the Velcro, and then feed the belt through the top hole of your holster until it looks like this. And the next thing you're going to put on is this strap keeper loop. So you feed the belt through there and pull it down to right next to your holster. And then finally you take the male end of the clasp, and for this one you have the Velcro facing here, and you want to put the male end facing away from the Velcro. And you fold over the belt so the Velcro holds, and then you can use your strap keeper loop to keep the end of the belt from flapping. And that's it. Now you have an assembled belt.